Hey, thanks for coming back to Keith from KG's Garage. Still working on the 2004 Buick Rendezvous. And the shifter just quit working. It's like got disconnected from the transmission. Let me get the key on. I'll show you. So, here you go. It's not... Hold on, let's turn this off, So, here you go. The shifter, you can pull it, it's not going in and out of gear at all. Nothing's happening. Connects on. So, you have the shifter lever. It has a little ball on it. You see the ball right there? And the cable, look at this. This is a piece of... Nope. These are pieces of the bushing that is broken. The shifter cable has a little socket that's supposed to go on there. Let me see if I can find it. I think it's right here. Yep, right here. Can I pull it? Oh, the battery's dying. Get this out of the way. So it's got this little ball right here, and the bushing inside. Can you see it right there? The bushing inside is totally shot. So Dorman makes a kit that is a new bushing. It's like, I think it was like 20 bucks, and you put that in there. I'm assuming this is the tool to put it in, these orange things. I have no idea. There's little instructions here. I'm going to open it up and figure it out. But this is a 14057. It's the same bushing for the front, which is under the hood, and then this one here. So what I need to do is, I need to pull this out. There we go. There. Now you can see it good. Now I'm in some kind of gear. I don't know what gear I'm in. I got to pry all that stuff out, just like with a screwdriver. And put a new bushing in there, pop it back on. Oh, and you have to take, I already did this. This is the cover that goes on the bottom. Right here. It has some screws, the Torx bit. I think it's a T25. You have a long one and a short one. I think the long one went here, and the short one went there. Anyway, I'll figure it out when I put it back together. But you got to drop that down. That you unscrew that, and this thing just comes right down. And then you get to this. So I'm going to pry this out, and then I'll show you when I'm putting the new one in. All right. So I dug all of the old bushing out. It just fell apart in a million pieces. Here's the new bushing. The instructions say put it here like this. Get a 9/16 socket and then squeeze it on. But I'm going to ignore that. I'm just going to try to use pliers and crunch it on there. Put this here. And I'll do like that. And then this will go over the whole thing. And it's in. Now, there's the shifter thing. So let me turn the key, flip the brake, pull this down. You can see, I don't know why this is twisted. Because it's giving a lot of tension on trying to pry the other way. But let's bring this over out here. Still see it? Bring it out here so I can get to it. Oh, can't get to it there. Alright, so now just push it on there. That's it. It's on. Get the keys out of the way here. this thing is supposed to be like this inside there. Anyway, okay, so it works. I'm going to check. I'm going to check the one under the hood and see how difficult that is, because if this one was worn out, I bet you the one under the hood was worn out too. So, turn the key off. And it was fairly easy to replace, but if it's a pain to get to it, I might not. I'll put my finger on it. So, well, maybe point to it. Down there. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I'll zoom in on there. And I can't get my hand on it, so that means some stuff has to come out of the way, like this. It's not broken. I don't know how it's not broken. It's same age as the car. Oh, I don't know if I can get my hand on it. I can't. I get stuck right here. That has come off. So that's not going to happen right now. Okay, well, that's it. All I have to do now is put this cover back on. I have to go get a, whatever I said, T25. I guess. So now you put the cover back on. It has these hooks right here that were tricky to get off. You have to push it forward and then drop it back down. I don't know what they clip onto, but something back there. And then this goes here. Anyway, I'll get that put on and it'll be all set to go. That wasn't too bad of a deal. So if you get in your car and the shift lever feels like it's disconnected, check that bushing out. It's probably that. You don't have to replace the whole cable. Dormer has these little bushing kits that it makes it so easy. You can see how easy that was. If you want to replace the whole cable, it was that's probably like a 2-hour job. I don't know, I'm just guessing. Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks again for watching. If you like these videos, go ahead and hit subscribe. You'll see more. If you want to be notified when I make new videos, hit the little bell. You'll be notified when I make new videos on stuff. It's just me repairing stuff around the house on my cars, mostly on the cars. Sometimes there's other stuff that's broken and I think might be interesting to some people that I repair, and I show you how to do it. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hit the like button, and I'll catch you on the next video. See you later. Bye.